morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus 14th chapter statistics exercise 14.2 third sum. The following data gives the distribution of the total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the modal monthly expenditure of the families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. So both we need to calculate. First one we need to calculate, we'll calculate mode first, then we'll calculate mean. Okay, so here the maximum frequency here is 40 is the maximum frequency. So the modal class is 1500 to 2000. So first we will start with that. Modal class is 1500 to 2000. Okay, so the mode is maximum frequency, that is the mode. So maximum frequency is 40 here. Okay, so now, so this 40 will be F1. Before that is preceding the frequency is F0, succeeding will be F2. So F0 is 24, F1 is 40, F2 is 33 and lower limit is frequency, that is the modal class is 1500 to 2000. So L is 1500 and then one more thing is H. So the height is the difference between the upper limit and the lower limit is 500. So that is the height. Okay. So now we'll substitute it in the formula. So mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Brackets into H. So this is equal to lower limit is 1500 plus F1 is 40 minus F0 is 24 divided by 2 F1 is 2 into 40 minus 24 minus 33 into H is 500 here. So this is equal to 1500 plus 40 minus 24 is in the numerator it will be 60 divided by 22 into 40 is 80 minus 57 into 500. So this one will simplify. So 1500 plus 60 divided by 23. 80 minus 57 is 23 into 500. Okay. So this is equal to 1500 plus. So when we simplify this, so here we'll get the numerator will be 16 into 500. So it will be 8000 divided by 23. 8000 divided by 23. So this is equal to 1500 plus when we divide this 8000 by 20 we will get 347.2. 347.2. Okay. So when we add this it will be 1847.2. So this is the mode for the given information. So for the given information the mode is 1847.2. Okay, so we have calculated mode here. The modal monthly expenditure is 1847 rupees 20 paise. Okay, so now we'll calculate mean, arithmetic mean. So for that expenditure we'll put the tabular column again, expenditure and then number of families. So expenditure is first 1000 to 1500, then 1500 to 2000. So 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 3500 to 4000, 4000 to 4500. Then the last one is 4500 to 5000. So the frequencies are 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 22, 16 and 7. So this is the frequency. So for calculating arithmetic mean, we need the mid value, that is xi we need. Since we are having very big numbers, we use the third method, that is step deviation method. Okay, so first we will calculate xi. So xi is 1500 plus 1000, 2500. When we divide it, we will get 1250. So 1250. Then the next one will be 1750. Then 2250. Then 2750. Then 3250. Then 3750. Then 4250. Then 4750. So these are all the xi values here. So now we will calculate ui. So ui is xi minus a divided by h. So first we will take a. A is, here we are having 8 distributions we are having. So we will take 2750 as a. So xi minus a. Xi minus a divided by h. H is 500 here. So xi is, first one is 1250 minus 2750. So when we subtract this, we will get 1500. First value is 1500 divided by 500. 500 is h. So a is equal to 2750 and h is 500. Okay. So when we divide this, here we will get, here minus 1500 will get, divided by 5 will be 3. So that will be minus 3. So then next one will be 1750 minus 2750 will be minus 1000. Minus 1000 by 500 is minus 2. Then 500 will get, minus 500 by 500 will be minus 1. 0. The same way here we will get 3250 minus 3250 minus 2750. So here we will get 500. 500 by 500 is 1. So again here 2 will come, here 3. Then the last one is 4750 minus 2750 is 2000. Here we will get 4. Okay. So now number of families is the frequency here fi. So this column fi and this column ui will be multiplied. So fi ui. So when we multiply this, first one is 24 into minus 3. It will be minus 72. Then 40 into minus 2 will be minus 80. 33 into minus 1 is minus 33. Then the next one is 0. Then 30. Then 22 into 2 is 44. Then 16 into 3 is 48. 7 4s are 28. So now we will add all these things. So when we add these negative values, we will get 180. Minus 185 will get. When we add these positive values, 16 plus 4, 22, and 10, 11, 12, 15. So we will get this. So when we subtract this, we will get minus 35. Minus 35. So this is sigma fi ui value. Then sigma fi is, already it is given 200 values. So now we will substitute it in the formula. So arithmetic mean is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Okay. So a is, assumed mean is 2750 plus sigma fi ui is minus 35 in the numerator divided by sigma fi is 200 into h is 500. So now we will simplify this. So this 2 will get cancelled here. This 2 zeros will get cancelled. So the numerator will be here 2750 minus, so 5 5s are 25. 175 by 2. So when we simplify this, 2750 minus 87.5. So 2750 minus 87.5. So we'll get, here it will be, then 6. So when we simplify this, 15, so 2750 662.5. So this is the mean monthly expenditure, that is 2662 rupees 5 paise. So this much is the mean monthly expenditure of 200 families. Okay, understood? Thank you.